After the heavy rains in the Baviaanskloof, something amazing starts to appear, which is the blood lily. This little plant is also known as the bloed lily in Afrikaans. The scientific name would be Ocadoxus. This little beautiful guy here in front of us display himself with this beautiful red hat that looks like a fireball. It is also an indication that this plant is toxic by the red color that he's actually wearing. And this little guy actually likes to grow under taller trees, and that is how he's actually protecting himself against the sun. Underneath he will have like a bulb, soos a eye. It's also toxic, so in fact the whole plant is toxic, and that is how we actually can communicate with me and you. But if we can understand these language of the plants and the trees, and then we will understand that these plants are also toxic, that you can't take it in. So yeah, that's it for the day. Baviaans, the fireball, it's in its flowering stage right now. Cheers.